From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for May 25th, 2018. Today we're taking a look at the GBPUSD Great British Pound versus the US dollar. For today's trade analysis, clearly this currency pair is in a downtrend, as we see with the black trend line on the right hand side of the chart been moving lower. It's had a couple of periods of hesitation, had a period of congestion and ranging here inside the blue box, broke out of that a couple of days ago, and now seeing a test of a new low. Interesting, the pink shaded area, 1.3335, 1.3305. That's down here at the bottom of the trend, the current price area. Follow that back in time, you see the blue circle, left-hand side of the chart, was a significant support in the uptrend as the market found several days of support there and then began its next phase of the uptrend, breaking out and moving higher. So we know historically that the pink shaded area is a critical support. As long as it stays above it, potential support to go back up. Breaking through it, though, continues the current trajectory and the current trend for the GBPUSD. So we want to pay attention to it and make note of the price action around there. If we're going to sell or looking to sell the GBPUSD in the direction of the trend, the next hurdle, next boundary to get through will be that pink shaded area, 1.333505. Now, as I say in the trade room pretty often, if you're going to sell something, you really don't want to sell it at the bottom. You don't want to sell it at the lowest price. That doesn't make a lot of sense. So preferably, we actually would like to see this take a little bit of a turn back higher again. Very similar to the blue box. Where was the best place to sell the GBPUSD inside the blue box here between the orange and yellow zone? Well, hopefully you're saying the orange zone was the better place to sell it because of that resistance, lower risk, higher reward into resistance. So that makes more sense to me, but at least we're not there right now. Next thing we would look for, if it doesn't make a rally to resistance, would be a break through the barrier of support. Getting through 1.33 would signal the next move back down into the mid to low 1.32. So that's what we're looking for, the breakdown of this critical barrier here at the pink shaded area. Of course, one thing that's going to take for that to happen, I think, is the US dollar to continue to break higher. Take a look at this US dollar index pressuring higher into the low 94s, having some difficulty over the past 3-5 days breaking through the 94 level. If this breaks through 94 and takes a surge back into the mid to upper 94s, that will likely help us push this GBPUSD a little bit lower, likely back down into the low 1.32. So let's take this down to the 4-hour time frame. Again, doesn't really change it, just gives us a little bit of a zoomed in of the price action we've seen over the past few days. We broke the blue box yellow zone. Something we looked at in the trade room yesterday, and I'll just kind of circle them here, is this period right here where the market made a little bit of a rebound before falling again. And interesting enough is we've seen something very similar to that now, where the market made a little bit of a rebound and now falling again. So if that's a clue, maybe we're looking for the breakdown of the pink shaded area. Zoom in a little bit more. Just like it did the green zone, broke the green zone, made a new low. Potentially we're looking for the break of the pink zone and a new low. So I'm not selling unless it gets through that pink shaded area, but definitely is something to watch for. Could it reverse? Sure, it could reverse, but I don't think we're looking for real significant reversal unless we can get back above the black trend line, the blue zone, the green zone. Until it does that, I have no intention to buy the GBPUSD. Just looking for breakout setup or rallies to resistance to trade the direction of the trend for the pound dollar. Maybe not going into the weekend, but early next week.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.